Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 7th of October. And first of all, national news. On Sikkim flash floods, parliamentary committees sever shortage warning. India to discuss issues with Canada during P20 summit in Delhi next week. World's longest bi-lane Sela tunnel at 13,000 feet in Arunachal nears completion. Chief Justice fulfilled promise, interacted with media in press launch. High Court can't deny access to video conference hearing, Supreme Court. Canada moved several diplomats from India to Singapore, Malaysia, a report said. Sikkim Lake that flooded was set for early warning system, a report said. Now, some international news. Jailed Iranian activist Nargis Mohammadi won Nobel Peace Prize. Attempts to turn India away pointless. Putin's warning to the West. Hundreds of our missiles, Putin warned over nuclear threats to Russia. 5 Nobel Peace Prize laureates who won from jail. Prada to design NASA's new space suits for Artemis third mission. Now some sports news. India reclaimed Asian Games hockey gold with 5-1 drubbing of Japan, qualify for Paris Olympics. Chirag Shetty, Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy in badminton final. India end day on 95 medals. India are certain to cross the 100 medal mark at the Asian Games 2023, a historic first for the nation. India won first ever Asian Games medal in women's sepak takraw, clinch bronze in Rego team event. Now news related to business. Rupees 12,000 crore of 2,000 currency notes still in circulation, RBI. RBI to release monetary policy statement, pause in repo rate likely. Indian stock market settled higher on Friday after RBI's policy. Sensex gained 364 points. Nifty settled above the 19,650 mark. India and UK working on a perfect free trade agreement. RBI policy, it's a turning pitch and I would like to play my shots very carefully, Governor Das said. And that's all in news. Thank you.